Look again. When you use the chopsticks, only one is moving. The other is steady lang. Lesson. Kung galit yung isa, tahimik lang yung isa. When one is angry, the other one must keep quiet. That's you, husband. Keep quiet. No more problem. And, of course, vice versa. Okay. And look again, if the chopsticks are not equal, difficult to use the chopsticks. Mahirap po. So what do? You adjust. You wait for one another. Patience, 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 patience. And finally, the lesson of the chopsticks is don't chop each other, stick to each other. Because God has brought you for a mission together.